Okay. Hi, everyone. Um, in the next 50 minutes, we will discuss our vision and concept of smart cities and introduce smart city solutions here we have in Taiwan. Our vision is to build smart cities with smart living. With 5G, AI, big data, and cloud as the infrastructure, Chunghwa Telecom has built a centralized platform, what we call CityOS. Once we have the platform, we can talk about the smart services in different sections. Of course, we are Chunghwa Telecom. We have IDC, we have cloud, we have 5G networks, and we have broadband infrastructure. This is our infrastructure to everyone. The purpose of CHT Smart Solutions is to help city officials in making timely and data-informed decisions to support good living and working environments. We would like to develop safe, caring, and green cities for citizens. CityOS interconnects data collected from multiple IoT devices. It is the brain of the city that integrates and coordinates all smart solutions like smart poles, autonomous vehicles, smart building, smart hospital, and smart agriculture. Let's look at our smart city solutions video.
As the cities of today grow and evolve into the cities of tomorrow, Chunghwa Telecom smart poles work together to create smarter, cleaner, and safer cities, now and for years to come. Bringing ubiquitous Wi-Fi service and forging connections through an integrated 5G mobile network, CHT CityOS analyzes traffic conditions to identify collision hotspots and reroute traffic, guiding drivers around congestion. If there's a problem, it alerts first responders, sending them where they're needed as quickly as possible. It helps locate missing persons, utilizing its network of integrated smart poles to tirelessly stand watch. Location tracking and license plate recognition give emergency responders the information they need to meet dangerous situations head-on. CHT CityOS is able to intelligently measure ambient light and manage streetlight illumination, saving cities money and energy. Permanent integrated connectivity allows CHT CityOS to analyze every pole and make sure that everything works smoothly, so it can get back to the real job of protecting, caring for, and serving its citizens. Each smart pole is modular and flexible, seamlessly mounting all sensors and devices. Featuring integrated electricity and internet connectivity, Chunghwa Telecom smart poles act as central hubs. They easily adapt to present and future needs, supporting a full range of customizable smart city solutions. Each smart pole in the network is one piece of the whole, connecting people and the city. From powerful transmitters that deliver ubiquitous Wi-Fi networks, to centralized electric vehicle charging that empowers transport via emission-free scooters, motorcycles, and the fast-growing number of passenger electric vehicles. Chunghwa Telecom smart poles make green city life more integrated and more convenient for everyone. They enable smart city solutions, resulting in measurably healthier, more efficient, safer cities.
Let's take a closer look at the CHT CityOS before diving into some of the solutions we offer. We understand how critical it is to analyze every piece of data gathered from smart devices and sensors. So, CHT CityOS platform supports almost all kinds of IoT connections. The inside is what we call City Governance 360. With City Governance 360, we offer real-time dashboard and reporting in support of decision-making. With Smart Event Trigger, interconnects and controls multiple devices. When there is a car crash, CHT CityOS will evaluating surveying data and send notifications to nearby police officers. Displays notice of subsequent traffic jams to the public. CHT CityOS has AI, big data, and cloud. So that is what we call CHT CityOS ABC. CHT CityOS ABC empowers city officials to make data-driven decisions in real time. The integrative city service applications, CityOS ABC, helps create a safer city and smarter city governance. Our AI can analyze crowd heat maps. We can monitor traffic, detect pollutants, gather evidence of traffic violation, and monitor trespassing. Each of these helps to foster a safer and smarter city governance. The CHT CityOS is great for managing the city, which we'll talk about the smart poles, which is the most important smart city infrastructure. Since we have just mentioned our smart pole in the CityOS section, let me show you its features. Our smart pole has intelligent lighting with video surveillance, which is smart camera. We have digital displays and a charging station for electric vehicles. The smart pole has wireless network with 4G and 5G small cell and Wi-Fi hotspot to expand our network coverage. We have weather station to detect air quality and air pollution. There is an emergency call that direct contact with the control center. We have water level detect. Also, there is a solar power on the smart pole as a backup green energy power source. Our engineers have carefully crafted our smart poles, so the smart pole not only illuminates your city, but also beautifies the city immediately. We have several cases right here, and each of them will require different components in smart poles. Our smart pole is 100% customizable based on different locations and demands. We deploy our smart poles in industrial park, factory, free trade zones, yes, main street, and parking lot, also shopping mall or subway station. Some of them need cameras, some need digital displays, and some require water level detectors to detect floods. We can always customize our smart pole devices to fit different needs. We have thousands of smart poles in Taiwan, and we are going global with AWS. Each of them look a little differently because different customers have different needs, and we have customized them accordingly. Next, we will show you how AWS help us achieve this goal. In some specific regions in Taiwan, we have more than 400 smart poles, including smart camera, weather station, and water level detectors. We will get 12 video records from a smart camera and 12 weather data from the weather station per minute. Usually, we get 20 data sets from water level detector each hour. In times of emergency, for example, the car accident, typhoon, or rainstorm, the smart sensors will significantly increase the data sent back to the CHT CityOS than usual. We need a flexible architecture to deal with efficiency and avoid the high costs. Through the AWS technical framework, it brings us the following advantages. The first one is fast expansion. CityOS manages containers by ECS, the Fargate. When servers have an increasing loading due to the high requests, ECS will expand the container to satisfy the large usage needs in seconds. During normal operation hours, the load is small. We need only a few containers and less maintenance. It reduces the cost, the auto-scaling, and get the best performance at the same time. The second benefit comes from the feature of machine learning. We use SageMaker for machine learning. We collect environmental data and usage data from deployed devices and leverage the already trained model to predict failure rate to keep equipment always in service, so that we can perform early equipment maintenance and provide stable service using the architecture. We also take traffic flow as data for machine learning in each region to predict areas and times while traffic jams are likely to occur. Take the back end as an example. We leverage the managed service of AWS ECS, which reduces the management cost of operation. After we use the ECS service, we saved more than 8 hours of maintenance time each week. It is about 20% of the cost. We can focus more on our business logic instead of maintenance. CloudWatch and CloudTrail help us know the status of all the resources, like CPU and memory usage, number of connections, concurrent usage, and device status. We know what resources are being used and show in the war room for the city officials, as well as show on the map of the mobile phones for authorized user. For emergency, SMS and Slack helps to notify the person in charge in real time. We also use AWS WAF and Shield to protect our services. So far today, we have showcased our smart solutions, which includes smart poles. We have also seen the central platform CHT CityOS, which is a great tool for city management. These services are achieved through the stable and reliable AWS services. We collaborate with AWS to build smart cities with smart living, which is all about good living, people, and governance. Chunghwa Telecom believes that both 5G and smart solutions are what the world is going to need in the next decade. And we will keep working and involving new technologies to build better cities. It is our pleasure to introduce these solutions to you. Together, we can build cities of the future and make people's lives better with AWS. Thank you.